everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I come back with another video. If you are new, please do subscribe and also like this video and continue to watch as many videos as you can. And if you click that notification button, you will not regret, because every time I upload you get notified. Okay, so welcome to skincare reviews by Shikunono. So today we'll be reviewing another product that Twitter treats you guys. I think Twitter is something that I should stay away from because it is making me buy a lot of things. But anyways, that is super good because I get to share with you guys and tell you what I think about the product. So today it's not gonna be that full video where I try a product for so many days that we are normally used to in this channel. Today is the first impression of the Dermopal Blemish Cream. This product right here, you guys, it is the Dermopal Blemish Cream. If you've watched my best sunscreen video, you would know that Dermopal sunscreen was one of my top 5 sunscreens and I really love it. I was super amazed to actually see people raving about a Dermopal Blemish Cream because I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it before. I was like, why are people so excited about this product? I just want to see what it is so that I can come and share with my Varhandziwa. And yes, it is the blemish cream that will help with your hyperpigmentation and also even out your skin tone. They wrote even skin color. It is formulated with glycolic and kojic acid. So glycolic acid is that friend that will help exfoliate your skin, and kojic acid will help brighten your skin. Actually, when I was watching videos about kojic acid, I've seen a lot of girls using it as a bath soap just to wash with it. I've never seen that bar before, but it has been helping people with a lot of hyperpigmentation. So when you open inside, so it comes in a box like this. So when you open inside, you get a yellow tube. The yellow tube looks something like this. It is a 30 ml product. And when I saw it at first, I was like, this thing is super small. Why are they making something so small? And then I realized upon application, let me just show you guys that it goes a long way. Let me show you guys, this is a lot, you guys. This is a lot. It goes a long way. It is so creamy. It's like a moisturizer. It feels like it's within like thick, medium thick consistency, and this is a lot, you guys. Because I use a lot, I'm just gonna blend it upwards. So it does blend in and it gives you a little bit of glow, like a moisturizer kind of effect. Okay, I zoomed you in right now and I just want to show you how this product applies. It comes with this what is this, the silver thing on top, and if yours doesn't have that, just return it to Dischem because it's supposed to be sealed. Okay, I'm so sorry guys if I'm too close to you. Okay, so I'm gonna use this much and I'm gonna like try to stay away from the eye area because I don't want to get it there. So I'm just gonna target my spots. Most of them are on my cheek area, and as you guys can see, I've got like a little bit of whatever that is right there. So when I really start using this product, I'm just gonna apply all over my cheek area because I can't like spot treat because like the scars are just everywhere. You can't say I don't love you. I'm trying all this for you guys to see how they're supposed to look. Okay, it's like a moisturizer. It's like a moisturizer in a way. I actually have a moisturizer underneath as well, and I do feel a little bit of tinglish. I don't know whether it's the glycolic and the kojic acid that is making it a little bit tinglish because I don't have any active breakout. So I could imagine if I had like a breakout, what would happen? I feel like I should wait for that time of the month to come and have a breakout because it's definitely going to happen, and then apply it on my spots to see how is it going to be painful. My skin, it's so weird. Sometimes it reacts, sometimes it doesn't react. The tingling is not too bad. Like it actually went down right now. I think it was just adjusting to my skin. But anyways, yeah. So let's get back to the main video. It does smell like medicine in a way, like it doesn't really have a scent. You are supposed to use this during the night and you are supposed to use it at your affected area. I did actually apply it on my right cheek and I had bumps the following day. So I am aware that whenever I decide to start whenever I start using this product, I will have a little bit of bumps. I just don't know for how long. but trust me, I am going to bring that comparison, that before and after video of this product tested within a certain period of time. I don't know when, but it's going to come. Okay, so that is actually that. So here are the ingredients of the product, because y'all, I'm super lazy to read that. It does have glycolic acid on top and kojic acid is somewhere down there. Beauty on Tap, please sponsor me because I'm about to advertise you. But anyway, yeah, so they actually sell Dermopal sunscreen with this Dermopal Blemish cream as a combo, and I don't know, I'll check the price and just put it somewhere here because I'm not on the website. They actually showed us how to actually apply. So on the day that I actually applied this product, I kept it simple. Okay, so I kept it simple. I actually applied I actually cleansed my face, applied a moisturizer, and then went in with the Dermopal Blemish cream, and then call it a day. Again, I just feel like this is just a product that you need to keep simple. Like, you don't really need to layer a lot of products. So I've never actually ordered from them, but it looks like people are actually receiving their products and they're actually excited about their purchases and stuff, and everyone is having this product. They've got like those two thing. They've got the blemish cream and the sunscreen. And again, sunscreen, you guys, it's really important when you're using products like this because your skin tends to be super sensitive to the sun. And again, you guys, even if you're not using this product, just apply sunscreen. You don't want to age real quick, you don't want skin cancer, you just want to be protected and look good until. So Tap on Beauty has like a summary of how you're supposed to use this product. So they say gentle cleanse and then exfoliating toner, which it can be your AHA or your BHA, it's okay. And then you can go in with a hydrating juice. They said skin functional because they do sell skin functional products as well. So they say hydrating juice or hydrating serum. If you do not have, of course, you guys, you can just skip most of the things, but this is just the outline, like just to give us an idea of how we're supposed to use this product. And then after that, you're supposed to use the blemish cream, and then that's when you go in with the rich cream. So what I'm seeing here is that you're supposed to use the cream before the moisturizer, and I did it vice versa. And the fact that it gave me bumps, that means it's really strong, you guys. So because now I had a layer that was sort of filtering it, and you're actually supposed to use it the other way around. It means it's really a little bit harsh, more especially on my skin as well. With that being said, I will actually prefer to actually use this every other day or introducing it slowly into my skin, and also try to, you know, apply it before moisturizer and see what's going to happen whenever I decide to review this for you guys. I feel like I've said that a lot. Yeah, but anyways, that is actually it for the first impression of the Dermopal Blemish cream. Anyways, just always be reminded that you look beautiful as you are. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.